Hi, Ate Carol! Kumusta ka na? Hope you are getting better and better. Namimiss na namin ni Nana yung tawag mo, yung tawa mo, tsaka yung pag tinatawagan ka ni Nanay na natutulog ka pa. Okay? We wish na sana makapunta kami dyan. Kaya lang, alam mo na, si Nanay, hindi na pwedeng magbiyahe. Pero through this messenger, pwede tayong mag-communicate, makita ka namin, makita mo rin kami, lalo na si Mother. Hopefully, makalabas ka na dyan at gumaling ka na, bumalik yung dati mong lakas at sigla. So, we keep on praying na maging maayos na ang lahat. Okay? So, palakas ka, and then always think of your happy moments, and always, I know, kahit di ka nakakapagsalita, you always praying and thanking our Lord for all the blessings. This is only a trial, okay? So, kaya mo yan. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa. Okay? So, talk to you later. And hopefully, makalabas ka na dyan at maging okay na lahat. Okay? Love you and missed you. Bye.